With our combined 50-plus years of experience leading technology development in the Asean region, we hope our research and insights will guide readers from various perspectives and Industry 4.0 journeys. We offer guidance on best practices and common pitfalls for manufacturing companies when implementing their digital transformation. We analyze and compare the ambitious strategies for governments, associations, and industry organizations, promoting collaborative regional development. For international companies and investors exploring opportunities in Asia, we provide a complete picture of the region, market by market, in the context of the major global trends. And for the established and aspiring industrial engineers in the ASEAN region, Industry 4.0 Navigating the Manufacturing Revolution in ASEAN was published in 2019, followed by Smart Factory, published in 2020, takes us through the concept of a revolution to demonstrate the scale of emerging trends. It shines a lens on pioneering European, Chinese, and North American models and considers how we in ASEAN can learn from others to find our place in the global value chain. Our smart manufacturing methodology stems from decades of manufacturing industry practice and research efforts. Industry 4.0 is revolutionizing how companies manufacture, improve and distribute their products. Manufacturers are integrating new technologies, including industrial IoT, edge computing and AI and machine learning, enabling deep analytics into their production lines and operations. However, during our discussion with the manufacturers, practitioners, and academics, we realized that we would see the visible and measurable value to the business only when we integrate manufacturing processes, advanced technologies, and modern organizations. Smart Factory represents the combined value of technologies and processes, which create a hyper-flexible, self-adapting manufacturing capability. As a result, the industry will see new forms of efficiency and flexibility by connecting different processes, information streams and stakeholders in a streamlined fashion. Meanwhile, using technology-enabled and automated connectivity and intelligence can effectively deliver improved insights and predictability through advanced analytics, moving towards autonomous operations. Hence, we coined the term smart operations. Furthermore, modern organizations must become smarter in responding to new challenges, influences, and opportunities. They must become more proactive, leveraging technology to improve how people communicate, collaborate, learn and work to realize smart enterprise. These three pillars support the Smart Manufacturing 4.0 methodology. Based on this Smart Manufacturing 4.0 methodology, our SM 4.0 model addresses the individual smart components and brings up the in-depth knowledge to enable the manufacturing industry through a successful digital transformation. Smart Manufacturing 4.0 is not created from scratch. So the technologies need to be outcome-oriented, that is, showing proven business value. Companies that plan to move to Smart Manufacturing 4.0 will be guided to conduct an assessment of digital maturity before jumping on the wagon. One thing worth noting is the transition from ISA 95-based structure to Industry 4.0 platform-based architecture. Our enablement focuses on value sharing, highlighting the integration and implementation with real-world case studies based on our interviews with innovators, manufacturers and academic professionals. We will digitalize our published book Smart Factory for deep dive into this domain. One of the confusion industries face is how to deal with the disruption caused by the technologies. Our digitalized training focuses on lean manufacturing methods practiced for the last 70 years since Dr. Deming was introduced to Japan. Besides providing the basic Lean 101 concept training, SMA also innovated the virtual webinar and forums based on the avatar and extended the method into HR advisory, which continuously updates the industry on the roles and responsibilities required by modern manufacturing. We have never isolated ourselves from the ever-changing manufacturing world. One of the surging concepts different from metaverse is NVIDIA's Omniverse. With COVID-19 disrupting the global supply chain, manufacturing is facing the biggest challenges ever. NVIDIA's Omniverse has become an innovative concept to address the collaboration among the manufacturing players. As SM 4.0's vision is upskilling and reskilling the manufacturing practitioners as an innovative knowledge-sharing platform, we partner with the industry's leading platforms to bring up a smooth user experience. Meanwhile, we are leveraging the industry simulation innovators to enrich our content and accelerate our value to the industry. We are committed to growing with you in this fast-moving market by providing the knowledge, best practices and advisory to a broad spectrum of users. So join us on the journey by subscribing to this channel and leaving your comment for us to keep improving our services to you. Thank you very much.